Students, welcome back. Question number 8, exercise 14C, 7th edition, D1. Okay, look at here. A figure is given to us such that it is a metal pipe whose length is 35 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 mm, while its inner diameter is 20 mm. Obviously the inner length is also 35 centimeters. We have to find the volume of the metal which is used to make this pipe, and we have to convert our answer into the centimeter cubic centimeters. Okay, let's move to the solution. Here when we plot this, we got it a cylinder, actually the pipe, the metal pipe, whose outer is the red one and the purple is the inner one. The inner diameter is the 20 mm while the outer diameter is 28 mm. We will write the outer diameter as D1 28 mm, as they demanded that the answer should be into the centimeter cubic, so we have to convert the millimeter into the centimeters. For that we will use the scale that 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. So 28 mm will become 2.8 centimeter. It is the outer diameter. When we talk about it's the outer radius, we have to divide the diameter by 2.8 divided by 2, we got the outer radius. Okay, and the height means length of the cylinder is already given to us, which is the 35 centimeter. We know that the formula we used in the previous question is similar to here, that the volume is the pi r square h. Pi is the 30.14 and the radius here is the 1.4 centimeter square, and height is 35 centimeter. We will do so with the help of calculator when we got the volume of the outer of the metal pipe. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the volume of the inner of the metal pipe. This time the diameter is 20 mm, we convert into the centimeter, it becomes 2 centimeter, and the radius becomes divided by 2, we got the radius of the inner one is the 1 centimeter, and height is same 35 centimeter. Again we use the volume formula, put the values respectively for the pi, for radius, and for height. We will calculate it by the calculator. We got the inner volume and the outer volume. Actually we have to use the volume of the metal used in making the pipe, so which is given by the outer volume, subtract the inner volume from the outer volume. The outer volume's value here, and now we have to subtract the inner volumes, so we got the difference of these two volumes, which will be equal to 105.55 centimeter cubic. Okay, so this is the actual amount of the metal which is used to making this pipe. Thank you.